Hi, my name is Stan from InDesign Blinds, and today I'm going to show you how to install a basic roller blind. So these are some of the tools that you'll need. You'll require a Stanley knife, a pen, a couple of screwdrivers, a Phillips and a flathead, a measuring tape, and obviously a motorized version of a screwdriver. Your blinds from the factory will arrive in a package that looks very similar to that, and it will have several components. So your components will include the actual blind itself with the mechanism and the chain. This will be a child safety device, which I'll show you how to install also. A couple of brackets, some screws. If it doesn't come with screws, just make sure you have a couple of little timber screws ready. And these are the stopping mechanisms. And you're also going to need a step ladder if you can't reach the window. Okay. Now that we know the size of the blind fits, and that's basically done just by making sure the size of the blind you've ordered is correct to the size that you have received. Now we're going to start with installing the first bracket. I usually like to start with the bracket that's opposite the chain drive, which is the pin mechanism. What I normally like to do is just put a couple of timber screws in. One. And two. I'm going to go to the other side and do exactly the same thing. And two. And then the installation of the blind should be very simple. You see a pin mechanism on one side, and you see a chain mechanism on the other side, and that's got two little locks. The way you would drive it in, you would have your pin mechanism go into that little hole first. Once that's in, you push, and then it sits inside. Now your roller blind is installed. You roll it up and down just to make sure that everything works perfectly fine. With regards to the two stopping clear plastic beads, the way you put one on is you make sure that you're at the desired length where you want it to stop, and that prevents your blind from rolling any further. Last but not least, the requirement is to install the chain drive. The chain drive is installed in exactly the same manner as you install your brackets, just with a screw. Just make sure that your chain is a little bit loose and doesn't have too much tension on it. That way you can roll it. You just put it through here, like that. And that's done. Thank you for watching our video.